Hey guys, this is the short tutorial to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently and easily. As you can see on here, that's pretty difficult to find out where's the delete button. They don't really have one, but I'm going to show you a shortcut how to do it. But before we do that, I also want to show you the way to save your data before you actually delete the account. So if you logged in, take your mouse to the right next to the little square, triangle right next to the question mark. Click on that and go to setting. And from here it said download a copy of your Facebook data link. So click on this link, okay? And what's included in your archive is all this stuff, post, photo, video that you share. So for me, you're gonna click on Start My Archive, and you know, and then click on Start My Archive. And then it's gonna download all the data for you. I don't have anything, so I'm not gonna do it. So once it's finished and you want to delete your Facebook account, you go up to the address bar and type in facebook.com/help and then /delete underscore account. I already have it in, so it's autofill for me. So once you hit enter, it's going to text you right directly to the page, say delete my account. And you click on delete my account. And then it's going to ask you to put in this code to make sure that you're not a robot. And that's it. Once you enter that in and you click OK, and it will be deleted. Okay. Thanks again for watching, and hope you find it useful. And if you haven't subscribed already, I appreciate it if you do. And thank you again. See you next video. Bye bye.